Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you legally own the iPhone and gathering proof, receipt, box, or invoice. Once done, check whether you have the Apple ID and password that activated the device. If so, sign into iCloud. COM or settings to remove activation lock. If you don't have credentials, contact the prior owner and request they remove the device from their iCloud remotely. Make sure to note the device serial or IMEI now so you can provide it to support when needed. Next, escalate to Apple support. Call, chat, or book an in-person appointment. Explain you need activation lock removed and submit the proof you gathered. Apple will verify ownership against their records. If you're handling this for someone else, bring signed authorization plus the owner's ID. Once Apple confirms, they will initiate the official removal. This can take hours to days depending on verification. Make sure to follow any additional requests promptly so the process isn't delayed. Finally, after Apple completes the removal, you'll be able to erase and set up the iPhone as new. Follow the setup assistant and sign in with your Apple ID. Make sure you reconnect to Wi-Fi so activation lock status updates. If Apple denies the request, check your documents for missing details, contact the original seller, or request a reissue of proof. One key troubleshooting tip: there is no legal or supported way around activation lock without verifiable ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.